Got one. Okay, first got one. Here we go. Okay, first got one. I'm calling Grandpa! Alright guys, we made it to the place we're gonna be fishing. Here we are. There's no one else here. There's where people park, but there's no one here, so hopefully we can catch some fish. It's man-made. We're gonna be on both sides of the man-made. It's like a pier or something. But yeah, hopefully we do good, and we're gonna be doing stuff like activities while we're fishing. It gets pretty boring at sometimes, but yeah, stay tuned. We'll be catching fish. Here we go, guys. Got our stuff. This is my grandpa's cart. He's got a rod too, but then my dad's up there. He's got that cart. This is a trail we walk every single time to go fish on the beach with man-made. Alright guys, here we go. There's man-made. This right here is man-made. See that?
I'm gonna put your dad on that side.
Alright. So my grandpa's fishing on this side, my dad's fishing on the other side. But yeah.
Right here is good.
I see there's still rollers or big waves out there. Not as bad as yesterday, obviously. But yeah, it's pretty nice out. A little bit of wind, a little bit cold. Yeah, catch some fish soon. Let's go. Alright guys, here's the spawn we're using. We're using different colors. We got like pink, orange, yellow, like bright yellow. My dad's putting them on right now. I asked him to walk the camera out, but the GoPro, but I'm not sure if he will. I put a leader on here. But here we already have 3 out. I put some on here. Get a leader out of here. All right, put this on here. Put a leader. There's that. Now make sure you get that tight, so we'll get a egg, spawn, one right there. Grab this, and I go like 2 or 3 times with the hook through this, and try not to pop any of the eggs. But it happens. It happens. So.
I mean, you kind of want to hide the hook, but turn around, pull it.
Well, you don't want like them to actually see it.
I don't know. No, you're fine. You're fine.
Dad. What? Where's my GoPro? Got one. Okay, first got one. Here we go. Okay, first got one. I'm calling Grandpa! Is it big? I'm here. Alright.
I don't think it's very big, but sure.
Yeah. Where's your drag at? Right here?
Yeah.
Just in case I need a reel.
Is it loose?
Oh, there's something jumped.
Cool.
Pretty big.
Was he pretty big?
Yeah.
All right, so if you want to tighten, it's right here or here. This is called a fighting drag.
All right. She jumped right out of the wave.
Yeah.
Nice. Whoa. This one seems pretty big. Oh, shoosh. Likes run and drag, I'll tell you that. Oh, there he goes! He's done that a lot. Oh, he's on top right now. He is tight.
That's fine too.
There we go. It is tight. I don't want to let him like run. Okay, then don't look at it. You're the one looking at it. He's pretty big. He jumped a lot. He's on top right now. Oh, there he goes a little bit. See ya? Yeah. Here comes Dad. Kind of. He's coming in with the wave, so it's way easier. Come on. He's over here, Dad. There he is, guys. Coming with the wave. Come on, now it's up to you.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
There we go. Look at it, right in the corner of the mouth. Or right in the good.
Right at the bottom.
First fish.
Oh yeah, bottom.
Man, we haven't been here. Hey, Dad. Not bad.
Told you it looked pretty good when it was jumping. There we go, guys. Fish with this and get them in our bucket. There goes our fish back into the lake or water of Lake Michigan on the leader. We'll catch some more. All right, guys. Here's the aftermath. None of the eggs are left. She got the floaters or whatever color. I ripped it up a little bit, but it was already like really ripped up. We got another yellow one. Seems to be the ones with the fish on, or this one got the fish. Some guys are coming up here to fish. Yellow seems to be the color so far. This is the first fish though, so we're gonna see what they like best. Let's keep going. All right, so we are putting new spawn on all the rods. We reeled them in. These right here, this is the one that my dad has, and another one got tangled, but so we got it undone. It was an easy little tangle. But we're putting new spawn on them and casting back out. Fish, hopefully. Let's go. All right, so the wind picked up a lot. It is really crazy now. I can like lean my body into it, and yeah, we're losing stuff, and it's getting crazy. But hopefully we can stay here for a while. Hopefully it doesn't get too bad. This should be like the worst though. Let's go. Alright, since it's getting too windy, we're gonna pick up and go into the pierheads. And yeah. So as you can see, it's still windy, like really windy. We have 2.5 ounce weights on here, and there's pyramid weights, and it's still not enough to like keep them from moving. So we're gonna go to the inner pierheads. What?
Oh, I thought you said something.
Oh no. But yeah. So pick up, go into the truck, and see you there. We're gonna go to the inner harbor, like I said. Inner pierheads. We can't see because the wind is getting worse, and it's gonna stay this bad for a while. So yeah, there's just as many fish there, if not more. But it's easier to catch fish over here usually, but there's so much wind, so we cannot fish like we would usually fish over here. So we're gonna go over there and hopefully catch more fish. But yeah, that's the plan. Get all these rods in and everything and pack back up and go back to the bar. Alright, so here we go to the next spot. Got the fish. After the seagull's eating it. I thought we were putting it in a bucket, but we didn't, so just carried it back. My grandpa got the cart because he said he wanted to get the cart, so let him get it. Yeah, we're gonna go pack up and go to the next spot. Let's go. Alright Alright guys, so we got to our next spot. This is where we're fishing, in between the pier heads right there and right there. We have some competition over there, but that shouldn't be an issue. They're just setting up as well, like we were setting up too. I'm gonna find a what is it, log or something, or a stick to get the rod holders in with. You can see the pier on the what is it, south side, I think it is, right there. Steelhead is getting destroyed by waves. It's just smashed. Like there's waves going easily, like just over the pier. All right, so it's hard to look forward because there's a bunch of sand blowing in my face. There's a wind. Here's what this area looks like. It's just crazy. They're building this pier right here. It looks like they're building it out, and yeah, let's go. Alright, so a lot of the rods are set up. I still have like one or two more to go for us. Grandpa's about, I think he got almost all of them out. Looks like he might have 2 more. Yeah, the wind is still just as bad as it was, if not worse. The gusts are definitely worse, and the sand in their faces like the whole entire time, so that's not cool, but whatever. But apparently it's in the right spot, so hopefully we can get some more fish here. And yeah, hopefully it calms down a little bit. Alright, so here's the one pier that goes all the way to the lighthouse. That's out right there, but this one's a pier that goes there. They're redoing it. You can see that there's like big tools right there. They're picking up rocks, and then right here, picking up rocks and sand and stuff. And then you got the pier that's unfinished, but these waves are like crazy. But yeah, they're like giant right here. Look at that. It's scary. But yeah. Big one. Oh god. We're good, we're good. There's some big waves out here. Insane. But yeah. Giant waves on the pier. We didn't go down there. And then right here it's like quicksand. Down on the other side of the pier because like the water's hitting it. It's pretty crazy. But yeah. Pretty insane. Alright guys, so we're gonna pick up. It is really bad out. We have to have a hit. We're fishing in right here, and this is the Manistee like harbor area, or like between the pier heads, and it's just way too windy, and it's way too cold, and we found out that there's weeds and leaves and a whole bunch of like, debris in the water, so we can't get our lines out of that stuff. So yeah, what we're doing is we're just gonna pack up and like go to the dam in Washington State Park. But yeah, right now here we haven't caught any fish, any heads, anything. So pick up and we're out of here.